Example on mean value theorem, that is application of mean value theorem. Lagrange's mean value theorem. Find an intervals on which the function f of x is equal to minus x cube plus 12x plus 5 belongs to minus 3 to plus 3 is increasing or decreasing, or decreasing. Also find extreme values, that is relative maximum or relative minimum exist. Extreme, also find extreme values. So step first, as from the Lagrange's mean value theorem we know that if f dash x is greater than 0, then f of x is what? Strictly increasing function. And if f dash x is less than 0, then f of x is what? Decreasing function, strictly decreasing function. So step first, we are going to determine extreme point, that is what? Where the f dash x is equal to 0, extreme points. So for that is where f dash x is equal to 0. Extreme point is what? F dash x is equal to 0. So what is the derivative of this function? The derivative of this function is minus thrice x square plus 12 is equal to 0. So this implies thrice x square is equal to 12, and this implies x square is equal to 4, and this implies x is equal to plus or minus 2. So the extreme values are plus or minus 2. Step 2, from this we can find intervals. So what is intervals here? So since our function belongs to minus 3 to 3, so our intervals are minus 3 to minus 2, then minus 2 to plus 2, and then 2 to 3. Now since f dash x is equal to minus thrice x square plus 12, this implies if we take minus 3 outside, it is x square minus 4, so, or if we take only x square minus 4. So from this if we take any value, say minus 3.5, here, if we take x is equal to minus 3.5, then f dash of minus 3.5 is equal to minus 3.5 bracket square plus 4. So this value is what? Positive value. So positive multiplied by negative, what? It is what? Less than 0. So here f dash x is sine of f dash x. Here it is intervals and sine of f dash x. So these are the intervals. Again minus 2 to plus 2. So for example, if we take f of 0 here, so what is f dash x? F dash x is equal to minus thrice x square, minus 3 times, see here, f dash x is equal to minus 3 times x square minus 4. So if we take x is equal to 0 here, then f dash 0 is equal to minus 3 times minus 4, so it is equal to 12 greater than 0. Again minus 2 to plus 2, it is positive. And for plus 2 to 3, again if we take 2.5 here, so f dash of 2.5 is equal to minus 3 into 2.5 bracket square minus 4. Again 2.5 minus square, it is 6.25 minus 4, so it is positive. Positive into negative is what? Negative. So it is less than 0. So this is what? Less than 0. So the function is what? From this function is decreasing on minus 3 to minus 2 and 2 to 3, and increasing on minus 2 to 2. So from this, what we can write answer here? We can write, say answer for here, answer of part first. F of x is increasing on -2 to +2, -2 to +2, and f of x is decreasing, strictly decreasing function on -3 to -2, and on the interval 2 to 3. So okay, on this function, on this interval, function is what? Strictly decreasing. So this is the answer here. Then next I'm going to create here one bracket. So now next we want to determine extreme values here, extreme values. Now from this you can observe here that the function is what here? Decreasing on -3 to 2. So if you draw here, say -3, -2, then 2 and 3. So it is decreasing on -3 to -2, and +2 to 2 it is increasing, again 2 to 3 it is what? Decreasing. So you can see here this 2 is maximum, relative maximum. So 2 is relative maximum here. This is what? Relative maximum. And this -2 is what? Relative minimum. So now since function is decreasing on -3 to 2 and increasing on -2 to 2, from this you can write, since f of x is decreasing on -3 to -2 and increasing on -2 to +2, and therefore x is equal to -2 is a relative minimum, and f of -2 is equal to, what is f of -2? What is f of x here? F of x is equal to -x cube plus 12x plus 5, minus x cube. So minus of -2 cube plus 12x, so 12 into -2 plus 5. So this is equal to minus plus, so it is 8 minus 24 plus 5. So this is equal to 5 plus 8, it is equal to 13, minus 24 is equal to minus 11. So f of -2 is what? F of -2 is equal to minus 11. Similarly, now since f of x is increasing on -2 to 2 and decreasing on 2 to 3, and therefore x is equal to 2 is a relative maximum or local maximum, and f of 2 is equal to, again, plus 2 cube plus 12 into 2 plus 5. So this is equal to so what is f of x? It is correct. So this is equal to -8 plus 24 plus 5. So this is equal to 29 minus 8, it is equal to 21. So relative maximum is what? Maximum value is 21. So what is, from this you can write answer, the x is equal to -2 is a relative minimum or local minimum and minimum value is equal to what? -11, and x is equal to 2 is local maximum, and f of x is local maximum at x is equal to, and maximum value is equal to what? 21. So this is the answer of the given question, that is here we have determined the interval on which function is increasing or decreasing, also the local maximum, local minimum, where the f of x is local maximum, local minimum, and their maximum and minimum value.